Look at my great bat character. We had some fun with color, making him all dark, but different colors of dark. So let's look at his picture and without the color before we start drawing. He's got this nice round head, but that curved line that's going to make it looks a little more menacing. It's kind of got that big forehead coming down. Little body, and his wings up to the side and down all the way to the side of the paper. And then we're going to put our scallops and our lines inside. Ready? Let's draw. Okay, now we're going to start our bat with our head. So right in the front, right in the middle, we've got a circle. Mine's a little lopsided, but that's okay. And then I've got my body coming down. And I'm going to put big pointy ears. Bats seem to have uncharacteristically big ears. Now, let's get that eyebrow kind of come curved down. We have a big eye on this side and an eye on this side, but you can't really see them all the way. They're tucked under. Remember, that's how we get that menacing look. Looks like a tough guy, bad guy. We can't see it, okay? Now we've got that mouth, just a little curve. And of course, the teeth coming out. Now we're going to get our wings, but we're going to start right here next to where the head and the body come together. And we're going to go all the way to the top. Now again, when I do curves, I have to turn my paper kind of to match where I'm going. So I'm going to get my curve on this side. Not pretty even. Now I'm going to curve from here down to the side of my paper, get all the way to this side. Same thing over here. I'm going to be here, I'm going down the side of my paper. Good. Now I'm going to add a second line, kind of a thicker vein. It's cooler to add that color. But to make that line, you want it to be parallel, so you are going to have to move your paper so your hand can make that shape. Okay? Don't try to do a curve with your paper sitting straight. Too hard. There. Okay. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I got so many more drawings for you. Now I'm going to get up to my body here, but I'm going to start here and I'm going to make 3 bumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Back here. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, we need a few more of these kind of veins coming down. So start at the top. Remember again, get that curve. Turn your paper if you need to. 1, coming out of the same place, over to this one. 2, good. Now to get this one, I definitely have to turn my paper this way. I'm going to start at the bottom this time. Up to the top. And we're going to connect this one up to this top. Okay, there's my bat. I am ready to show you what he looks like in color. Here we go. There he is. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.